beef stir fry. Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Canon SX Apron. Welcome to our kitchen. It's a little bit dark. It's so bright outside, it's making it dark in here. But that's a good thing. It is. I am sweating out some onions right now because we're going to make this beef stir fry. And I'm going to use some of the GQ's sugar-free stir fry. That's what I'm using. But on my steak, I want to sprinkle some ginger on there and some garlic powder and let this sit here while I'm waiting for these onions to cook up real good. A little bit of ginger. I'm going to put a little bit of onion powder on there too. I know, I've got onions over there, but I still think I'm going to put a little onion powder on there too. Now this skillet says don't put any oil in it, but I may put a little bit of avocado oil in there because this is eye of round, which it doesn't have hardly any fat on it at all. So we may have to do a little something different. I have a bag of the, let me show you. Show you what I'm going to put in. Now I'm going to serve this over rice. So I have the deluxe stir fry. That's what I'm going to put in there. It's got broccoli, Italian green beans, carrots, baby corn, cobs, water chestnut, red peppers. You can always make your own up, but this is a Sunday meal and we're doing a quick and easy meal. Just this round steak and these onions alone smell divinely delicious cooking up. Sesame seeds. Now you can always use whatever beef you have on hand. This could actually even be made with ground beef if you wanted it to be. And just a little bit of crushed red pepper. Not a lot. Just a little bit. Just like a pinch of it is all. Now, I'm going to look at this. I haven't used this one before. So I'm going to check the sodium on it and see if I want to. It's got like 290 milligrams of sodium. So I don't think I'm going to add any to it. I'm going to leave it that we can just season it up a little bit more afterwards if necessary. But I want to brown this, and then I'm going to put some of this in the skillet and let the beef absorb those flavors. We do not eat our meat red. We like it to at least be gray all the way through. My son tells me all the time, Mom, you're missing so much flavor. You know, I just can't. Look, we used to raise beef on our farm, and I would go buy myself beef rather than eat what we would, let's see, what's the word people use now? Harvest it. Y'all know where it went to. I don't have to tell you that. But I would eat it. So So this I can do, but I can't eat this stuff red. Yeah. No, I can't. Now I'm going to let this, these juices cook down before I add any of this sauce to it. Okay, I did go ahead and put probably a 1/3 cup of this in there. Oven. Because I want it to cook and get just as much of those flavors as it can into that beef. I'm going to go ahead and pour these in there. And you know, this is one of those bags that you can steam it in the microwave if you want to. But I just wanted to go ahead and pour it in there so it could just, you know, I want all those flavors to get together as much as possible. Smoosh it around in there. And then I'm going to put a lid on it. Then after it cooks down some, we'll see whether or not we actually need to put any more of that sauce in there, or if we might want to add just a little bit of the low sodium soy sauce to it. And now I'm going to add some pre-made rice in here. It's the long grain white rice. Long grain and white rice. There we go. You don't have to put it in with it. That's just, Tom and I talked about it. We're going to mix it up in there anyway. So we figured we'd just go ahead and pour it in with our stir fry. But it's just, you put the bag and all in your microwave and heat it up for 90 seconds. I did heat it up for a minute and then poured it in here. It smells so good. I just want to give this little piece a try. That's good. Oh, that's good. I don't think I'm going to add anything else to this, you all. I think I'm just going to leave it like this. Let that rice absorb the other juices that are in there. And we'll just go from there. Would you look how delicious? I mean, it just looks delicious. But I can tell you it tastes delicious. I'm going to I'm going to get over here and scoop this in there. That's what I'm going to do. And then any of it that we don't eat today, of course, we can eat it as leftovers tomorrow or for our lunch, whatever we want to do. And then let me get the rest of it over here. I'm putting the rest of it over here in this other bowl, you all. Just so you know what's going on behind the scenes. A few more veggies in there. Alright. Now, I have to get Tom in here and get him to taste it. I, of course, want to taste it with all of the veggies and the rice and everything with it. So, I'm excited. We had just like a granola bar for lunch today. So, we're eating a little early. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Y'all already saw me try it. And then, of course, we've got soy sauce and other sauces. If more sauces is needed, then that's how you do it, right? Look at there. He's got a mouthful. Hold on. Yeah.
That's good, y'all.
Yeah, put all that in there together. That is so, so delicious.
Good boy.
If you all haven't subscribed yet, I hope you will. Click the subscription button and the notification bell and click the thumbs up. Let me know you like it. Beef stir fry. Give it a try, you all. Ooh, it's good. It's so good. I'm gonna go get me a few more bites of it.